The sound of the adventure starts small, right here in our RV garage, where the ride starts here. Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld. If you don't know by now, we travel full-time across the USA in our RV.
And this ride through Maggie Valley is going to kick off one unforgettable adventure, so stay tuned. This week, hundreds of riders are rolling into Maggie Valley for one reason, the Can-Am Spyder Rally.
For us, it's more than just a rally. It's a chance to reconnect with old friends and to see the road in a new way.
Every ride brings its own story, and every stop reminds us why we love this life on the road and on three wheels.
So here we are. We were in West Virginia at the Can-Am Valley.
Can-Am. Oh, you smell good. Better than smell bad. What got you started in it? What made you decide to go ahead and get on the Can-Am?
My Riker, it's Sassy Sally. Got her in 2023. Before that, I had always been the passenger. I had ridden a Riker when we were here at the rally in 2022. That gave me like the bug, like, oh man, I want to like get my own. You know, my husband and I go on lots of trips. Like currently I have about 14,000 miles. I just like how it's low to the ground. I like that it's automatic, and it just, you know, it just fits me well, and I just feel secure on it, and it's just a lot of fun.
I'm Cassie Toll.
I'm Brian Toll, and we're from Manassas, Virginia.
He's been a motorcycle rider for as long as I've known him, over 30 years, and I just got into motorcycle riding for almost 2 years now. At the end of October, never rode a Can-Am in my life, and loved it, and I will never turn back. So
Took to it like a duck to water.
yeah, it's the best thing I've ever done. Art did my art
And
yesterday.
stuff. This is
Yeah.
amazing. Oh, just yesterday?
Just yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
So that's supposed to be a tarantula.
It's a happy tarantula.
That's what I wanted. Yes. I was like, make it with googly eyes and a smile. His name is Rosie.
Okay.
So the story behind this bike, we lived out in Colorado, and my daughter used to love going to the botanical gardens, and there was Rosie the tarantula.
Oh.
So when we bought her, she's red, named her Rosie, and I thought it'd be perfect to have a tarantula on. You know, Rosie
I love
the
it.
tarantula.
I
There she
love
is.
it. I just think it's amazing.
My name's Tracy. I'm from Salisbury, North Carolina, and we're just enjoying the beautiful weather here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina at the Spyder Adventures Maggie Valley Rally.
My question is to you,
Okay.
is what got you started? What made you want to ride a Can-Am?
I rode for years on my husband's Harley in the back, and after we started going to some of his bike rallies and bike nights around our town, I noticed other ladies had the Spyders, and I got really interested in it. So I decided to take the three-wheel class, and he told me that if I passed, he'd give me any bike I wanted. So this is my bike, and I've enjoyed riding it ever since, and I'm so glad I did it. So,
Well, I'm
and I've
glad.
learned a lot from listening to Purple on 3 with all her tips and her accessories that she teaches about. So yeah.
We've learned a lot from her too as well. Bike brings us together, but the people,
That's what keeps us coming back.
every smile, every wave, and that is the real engine behind this community. Every Spyder here is different, just like the people who ride them. Creativity on three wheels.
They carry us forward, but we're the ones steering the story. The Rattler is not the tail of the dragon, but you can make that ride whatever way you want. It does have 290 curves packed into 24 miles. It will definitely wake you up fast.
You'll feel the road move under you, not to race it, but to dance with it. That's when the day really begins. done too many rides running today. Hello. Every curve on the parkway feels like it's carved for freedom, for moments that take your breath and give it right back to you.
When you climb above 6,000 feet, you just don't see the view. You feel small.
They call it Graveyard Field, but it's full of life, streams, color, and a peace you only find when you slow down.
Sometimes the best rides aren't the fast ones. They are the quiet ones you don't want to end.
I never expected to see them. Real elk right there in front of us. Babies played, and then they saw their dad, and they ran like little kids into a shadow. It was so magical, like the mountain wanted to show off just for us.
That's why we ride. You never know what's waiting around the curve.
When the helmets come off, the memories keep building. This is a great group of people we're hanging out with. It isn't just a rally, it's a family that travels with us. Every rally ends the same, not with the miles we've ridden, but with the memories that ride home with us.
It's the people, the laughter, and those between the moments. And sometimes the family gets just a little weird.
So what you're looking at is basically a showdown between CD Light Charles's badass Spyder Can-Am versus the demon. The demon is saying, come with me, be my buddy. We shall partner together. It's amazing what people do to trick out stuff for Halloween. It was definitely special. Maggie Valley reminded us about why we keep chasing it and riding on the road. So we hope that you guys liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Bash up that notification bell. Bob wants you to
Give us your comments. Let us know, have you been to the Maggie Valley Spyder Rally or the Spyder Ride? And if not, have you been on a rally?
Yeah.
What's your favorite rally you've been on? Let us know in the comments because we love to read all the comments.
join us for our upcoming video. We're taking you back to Denali, Alaska, where the clouds touch the sky and that journey gets even more epic.
And trust us, this one is awesome.
So guys, remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
Bye.